Ah, I want myself in the eye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do 2 eyeshadows, makeup eyeshadows. I'm going to do my 2 hard candies that I have that I'm going to use, and I kind of forgot to put my other stuff on my face. I forgot to put this on my face. I'm not gonna worry about it. So I'm going to use these to. I did a video one time on these before, but I'm going to again to kind of make it a little different. So I already put my foundation on my face because y'all probably know that I do that. I did some new on it, so I tried to do something a little different. And I did put some stuff on my eyebrows to make it kind of mess up on this side, but I did some. I kind of like used my eyeshadow, my eyeliner pencil, and my brush together and get that really good. But I will first up, before I do this, is that if you're new, subscribe and press the bell notification so that you don't miss out on my new videos. So, but yeah, and let's get started. I kind of like my lips to kind of. I'm not putting anything special on it on my lips. Okay, this on my mascara on my eyes. You'll probably see that I don't wear fake eyelashes because I'm still struggling trying to learn how to do it. So I kind of suck at it. But I'm learning. I'm trying to learn. I'm still trying to learn how to do it. So I'm not trying to do like other beauty videos, other beauty YouTubers that wearing fake eyelashes, but false eyelashes, I mean, but I want to wear them, but I really don't feel like wearing them. It's really not my thing to wear it, but I know I'm a girl. So about this sunlight is going down back and forth. So right now I'm kind of looking at my mirror, like the same mirror that I did on my last video. So I'm just falling out. I lost the other one. I'm gonna take them out. I'm trying to find my, oh. I kind of forgot to put powder on my face, but I'm gonna do that thing. I don't know what color. It's kind of hard what color to pick, so I'm gonna try my best to pick up something that I think would be really, really awesome to try. I would try a little of. Let's try with this color right here that I'm pointing at. I need to use my other brush than using this, so I'm blind. I don't got my glasses on. Got all my brushes that I have, except this because I already used that. Oh, this is very awesome color. It's a little shiny. Cause I wish I had some fake eyelashes. Hey, now I think I dropped my other. Drop this. Let me use my other brush to use this, and I'm gonna use the other. Right here. Like, you know, like this eyes. Oh, I forgot it's a mirror right on this thing. I don't know how to use that mirror. If I can see this really good. Okay, I'm gonna use my regular brush. I think I'm not trying to get this really good here. Okay guys, I'm just kind of stopped right there, but how I did it now, I figure out how to do it. On the pink one is that you have to like this, kind of show a little pink in it. And I should have did with the other eye like that. So with the red one, the red, should have did it with that before at first. But so I'm kind of going to blend it with this, with the red, with the other. Okay, now I poke myself in the eye now. Ah. I poke myself in the eye. Okay, now I'm going to do the glitter. It's a little glitter in this eyes, but I'm going to use these to kind of get a little glittery. I'm still on. So I'm going to use one of those. So I'm going to probably use here. And I'll get this really good. Okay, it's kind of really hate this. Oh, I'm be glad we move out of this apartment. It's close to the airport, and that sound, oh boy, it's annoying. Get a little of that in my eyes. My eyes, and I don't poke myself in the eyes. Hope not. I got that in there, and hey, where my this. Ah, I want myself in the eye. My eyes. Oh my lord. Messing up my makeup. No. I had to stop right here. Like, comment, and subscribe, and press the bell notification. And tell me what you think of this look, and I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye.